Hopefully you are watching this because you have joined me as having enough equipment that you needed to diversify your tools, because getting one for each specific piece of equipment ends up getting pricey. So this GLORYFIRE Elite cleaning kit caught my eye, and I was like, this seems to have everything that I could possibly need. So I thought, let me get this and check it out, and it has arrived and I have checked it out, and this thing is wicked. Let me just show you this. And one of the things that I'm going to tell you right now that I really like about this is how well marked this is, right? Like, it gives you the on the brushes here, on the larger brushes, it gives you the gauges for shotguns. On the larger brushes, it gives you the gauges. On the smaller brushes, it gives you the caliber. They are real brass, at least according to the manufacturer. I don't see why I would argue against that. Comes with all the different size attachments for the pads when you're going to clean and oil. And then it also comes with the flexible snake. Let me grab this and show you, so you can flex that through whatever you need to get it through. And then 2 different sizes and different lengths of rods, which is great. Oh, and one other thing. Look, they got brushes. The brushes come in like a softer brush, a firmer brush, and then a brass brush. It really has everything you could possibly need for your collection, so that you don't have to get a 22 kit, you don't have to get a 12 gauge kit, you don't have to get like one specific kit for everything you have. And I really had got to the point that I was like, I'm not buying any more kits. I just need one kit that's going to cover 99% of what I got. And this is the one I picked, and I opened it up before I had this conversation with you, and I was like, this thing is awesome. So in any case, I'm going to give this kit a full 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. Say, if you're looking for something that kind of does everything, this is the one to get.